school-based mental health charity, and we've delivered a few workshops such as getting online and online budgeting course. The purpose of this one was to give the learners exposure to the online budgeting world in order to help them managing their money better. One of AGT's purpose is to tackle digital exclusion, so I really think that this course would be very beneficial for groups and community. So we live in a world that is getting more and more digital, and unfortunately a lot of the big chunk of the population is still excluded and don't even know how to use a computer and how to get online, and they are missing out on a lot of things. It can be from shopping online to applying for benefits, and this is a big problem today. We had a very good response after each of our courses. The learners were really happy about the classes, and they were always really willing to learn more and always asking when will be the next class. So after each session we asked a few questions, we asked feedback to the attendees who had the time to answer a few questions, and one of